Hi guys! Welcome back to Steph About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk on how to connect in Wi-Fi using Android phones without a password. If you are in a situation that you need to connect to Wi-Fi network because maybe you have to contact someone, then this video is good for you. So to start with this video, I prepared for you guys two Android phones. So all we need to do, guys, is to open this. Alright, so let's open this phone and go to the setting menu. Alright, so let's scroll down our phone. Okay, this one, let's tap this and tap the network and internet. So let's tap this and go to Wi-Fi. So when you're going to click that, guys, you will now see here a lot or a different Wi-Fi network. So let's check now if what Wi-Fi this devices, the other phone, what this devices use. Alright, so let's open also the setting and Wi-Fi, and as we can see here, it uses the Samonte Wi-Fi network. Okay, so let's click this or tap this. Also this one in this device, just tap this, and as you can see, it needs password. So now how to connect in this Wi-Fi network. So click cancel, and as you can see here, guys, over here there is a QR scanner. So just tap it so that we can scan the QR code of the Wi-Fi. Alright, so click this or tap this QR code or the share, and we can now start sharing the Wi-Fi network. Alright, so let's start scanning the QR code if it works. Alright, so let's wait for a moment. Okay, let's do this. Let's have some patience in scanning this. Alright, so let's see if it is connected. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it is now connected. Alright, so there you go. This is on how to connect in Wi-Fi using Android phones without a password. So, if you want to know on how to connect in Wi-Fi using Android phone without a password, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to connect in Wi-Fi using Android phones without a password, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!